Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essential prerequisites and then create a project immediately. Install Visual Studio with the desktop development with C++ workload. Make sure MSVC, CMake, and Git are selected. Once done, open File, right arrow New Project, and choose an empty console app or CMake template so you can compile right away. You should set the solution folder and project name. Then verify the active configuration is debug x64 or x86, depending on your target. This gets you into code quickly without wasted steps. Now you configure build settings and write functional code. Open project right arrow properties to set include and library paths for any external SDKs, and pick your runtime, debug for stepwise testing, release for performance. If you use CMake, edit CMake lists. For native projects, tweak VCXproj. Add source files and headers, then implement main and test functions. Make sure to set preprocessor macros and optimization levels appropriately. This controls diagnostics and runtime behavior. Finally, build to catch compile errors early and iterate quickly. Finish by building, debugging, and packaging your app. Press Build Solution and then run with the debugger F5 to hit breakpoints you set. Use step into and step over to follow execution, and inspect variables and the call stack to find logic errors. Once behavior is correct, switch to release and rebuild. If something breaks, check the output and error list for missing includes or linker errors, verify symbol paths and library architectures, and then rebuild. This single troubleshooting loop resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.